Hello guys, my name is Isaac, welcome to the Brick Squad, and today I'm going to be showing you my 92 Volvo 940. So a little history on this car. When I bought it, the entire front end right here was all smashed in, so it's gone through a bit of repairs since I've owned it. Gone through a new fender, new turn signal housings, new headlights, a new grille, and a new bumper, which is the most recent add-on to the front end. Same with the hood. Currently my car is sitting on Volvo Virgo wheels. This particular set came off of a 1984 240 wagon turbo. These wheels only came on the 240s, specifically the 240 turbo models. I think they were only an 80s thing, so the 90s 240s didn't really get these. Sitting in the front, I don't know if you guys can see it there, but sitting on IPD 25mm front spacers, because these Virgos actually don't clear the front calipers. If we come back here, they do clear the rears just fine, no issue. This is a sedan model. Sitting here on the roof, I have a new pair of tool gutter guard racks. Yeah, let's dive into the interior. Here we are in the interior. My car has the triple color interior. Starts off with blue, then the dashboard goes to black, and we have the tan headliner. This car actually got the black dashboard because the gauge cluster had to be repaired. So the mileage on the gauge cluster says 56,805. This car is sitting more along the lines of about 187,000 miles. My car comes equipped with a sunroof. It doesn't work. The motor works, but I think the tracks are clogged, so it is not open. Heated seats, AW70 automatic transmission with overdrive. We have an aftermarket Alpine, standard knobs and whatnot. This car does in fact have AC, but it does not work. Neither does the horn currently. Fun fact about the headrests, I have pulled these from a 90s 240. They're the blue leather style headrests to match the seats. I always liked this style whenever I'd see old Volvos on the road, so I definitely had to get some of my own. Currently the back seat is kind of being used as a work truck. Have my impact. I have a strut spring tool, Harbor Freight tool bag got for free, shout out Harbor Freight, and my jungle skog that I got from IKEA. Here on the parcel shelf, I have a couple of Volvo Hot Wheels that I've collected over time. Yeah, it's pretty comfy back here. Not here in the trunk is where all the magic happens of keeping this car running. Currently have a blown alternator that I need to have rebuilt. Some Bilstein B6s for the front that are actually going to go on very soon. ATF fluid for my power steering that I guess leaks. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Coolant. Some detailing stuff like some car wash, tire shine, whatnot. Springs for the front. My plastic undershield that I actually need to kind of fix because some of the stuff doesn't actually clip on anymore. And it's cracked. And back in here I have some of the service records from some of the previous owners, so I have a full detail on what was all done on this car. Under the hood we have a Volvo B230F red block motor. This one's NA 114 horsepower when it likes to run good. This car is a Regina fuel injection system, so it kind of sucks. Can't do anything fun with it performance-wise, but otherwise it's really not too bad. But that is all for the official brick of Brick Squad. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more content. Excited to see what the other guys have. Thank you for watching.